scholars. I'm Mrs. Govender from Spark Ferndale. I hope you're all keeping well and safe at home. In today's video, we will be revising what you've already learned on completing number patterns. Are you ready? Let's go! Alright, as I mentioned earlier, at the end of this video, scholars will be able to complete number patterns. But first, what is a number pattern? A number pattern is a sequence of numbers that follow a rule. Take this number pattern for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The rule is to add 2. To find the next number and complete the pattern, we will need to add 2. And our answer will be 14. Now let's try it out with larger numbers by following these steps to success. Step number 1. Look at the number pattern carefully and decide if it is increasing or decreasing. If it is increasing, the rule will be to add. If it is decreasing, the rule will be to subtract. Step number 2. Look at the first two numbers in the pattern and check which digit is different. Is it the thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones? 3. Find the rule. And lastly, step number 4, complete the pattern using the rule. Okay, thinking caps on. I have a pattern below that I need to complete. 5,342, 5,442, 5,542. Let's follow the steps. Step number 1. Look at the number pattern carefully and decide if it is increasing. These numbers are getting bigger, so they are increasing. If it is increasing, the rule will be to add. Step 2. Look at the first two numbers in the pattern and check which digit is different. The digit that's different is the hundreds. So, the rule will be to add 100. Step 3. Find the rule. Rule, add 100. And step number 4, to complete the pattern using the rule. From 5,342 to 5,442, we added 100. 5,442 to 5,542, again added 100. To find the next number in the pattern, we will need to follow the rule, which is add 100, giving us 5,642. Once again, we will follow the rule of adding 100 to get the next number, and our answer will be 5,742. Awesome. Now let's try the next example together. 5,342, 4,342, 3,342, and we need to find the next two numbers in the pattern. Step 1. Is the pattern increasing or decreasing? Getting smaller, decreasing. So our rule will be to subtract. Look at the first two numbers in the pattern and check which digit is different. It is the thousands. Step 3. Find the rule. Subtract 1,000. So from 5,342 to 4,342, we subtracted 1,000. let's check if our rule is correct. 4,342 minus 1,000 gives us 3,342. Our rule is correct. To complete this pattern, I will have to follow the rule. Subtract 1,000. 2,342 is the answer. How about you find the next one? You can pause the video to calculate it. The rule again, subtract 1,000 and our answer will be 1,342. You've been awesome, Spark Scholars. Now it's your turn to practice on your own. If you understand clearly on how to complete number patterns, answer the questions in this activity. Remember to write the date and scholars will be able to complete number patterns. When you're done with this activity, remember to submit your answers online to be marked. To recap, in this video, we revised how to complete number patterns. Firstly, we check if the pattern is increasing or decreasing. If it is increasing, we add. If it is decreasing, the rule would be to subtract. Next, we check which digits are different, thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones. Then we find the rule. And lastly, we complete the pattern. Remember to submit your online form when you're done with the activity. In the next video, we'll take a look at reading and writing numbers within 100,000. See you then.